In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Temu account safely and easily. Managing your online accounts is an important part of maintaining your digital security and privacy, and there might come a time when you decide it's best to delete an account you no longer use or need. So, if you've decided that it's time to let go of your Temu account, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can do it with confidence and without any hassle. Let's start by making our way to the Temu website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to Temu's homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all your account details and making any changes. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll need to log in if you haven't done so already. Use your usual credentials to access your account. Now let's move on to the next step. After you've successfully logged in, go to your profile. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, represented by a small icon, often a person or a circle. Go ahead and click on that to open a drop-down menu or a new page with several options pertaining to your profile. Now, it's time to look for the Account Security option. This is a crucial section where you can manage your personal information, adjust security settings, and most importantly for our task today, decide to delete your account. Once you locate the Account Security section, click on it. This will guide you to a section where you have a variety of security options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Here, you'll find the option you've been looking for, Delete Your Temu Account. It's often at the end, as these sections prioritize your ongoing security settings before leading to a final option of account termination. Clicking on Delete Your Temu Account will prompt a process that you will need to follow carefully. Now let's talk about what's involved in this process. You may be required to confirm your decision and verify your identity, possibly by providing your password again or answering a security question. This measure is in place to ensure that only the account holder can delete the account, protecting against unauthorized actions. Once you complete the verification and confirm that you wish to proceed, your request to delete the account will be processed. This may take a little time, so be patient as the system updates. That's it. You're done. Your Temu account is now scheduled for deletion and you no longer have to worry about it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more content just like this. Take care.